Which countries are shaping the future of the Muslim world in 2025? The answers may surprise you. From economic powerhouses to cultural giants, let's dive into the top 5 most powerful Muslim countries in the world today. Welcome to Abroad of Air. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most powerful Muslim countries in the world as of 2025. We've based our rankings on a blend of military strength, economic power, cultural influence, and technological advancements. Whether it's their rich history, strategic importance, or incredible contributions to the global stage, these nations are making waves across the world. Stick around to see who takes the top spot. Country number 5. Indonesia is the world's largest Muslim-majority country, with over 240 million Muslims. The nation's economy is projected to reach $1.7 trillion, making it a G20 member. Indonesia is rich in natural resources, including oil, gas, coal, and palm oil. The military is one of Southeast Asia's strongest, with a focus on maritime security. Jakarta is a financial hub for Southeast Asia, attracting global investments. Indonesia is the leader of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. The nation's cultural diversity is showcased in its 17,000 islands, 300-plus ethnic groups, and hundreds of languages. Tourism thrives, with Bali being one of the world's top travel destinations. Indonesia is investing heavily in green energy, aiming to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. The country is a major player in global trade, exporting textiles, rubber, and electronics. Its rich history includes the powerful Majapahit and Srivijaya empires. Indonesia is the largest producer of palm oil, vital for the global economy. Religious harmony is promoted, with a strong tradition of Islamic education. Indonesia's tech sector is booming, with unicorn startups like Gojek and Tokopedia. The nation has a rapidly growing middle class driving domestic consumption. Indonesia is enhancing its infrastructure, including new highways, railways, and ports. Its strategic location makes it a key player in global maritime trade. The country has a thriving art scene, from traditional gamelan music to contemporary art. Indonesia's forests are among the most biodiverse in the world, contributing to global ecology. The government is promoting digital literacy through nationwide programs. The national motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika Unity in Diversity, reflects its inclusive identity. Indonesia is a major contributor to UN peacekeeping missions. It has strengthened ties with both Muslim and non-Muslim countries, ensuring diplomatic balance. Education reforms are creating a skilled workforce for future challenges. Indonesia's Islamic finance sector is among the fastest growing globally. The nation's vibrant film industry is gaining international recognition. Religious tourism, particularly to Islamic landmarks, is on the rise. Indonesia's role in climate change negotiations is vital as a leading advocate for sustainability. The capital relocation to Nusantara symbolizes a new era of development. Indonesia's mix of economic power, cultural richness, and leadership solidifies its top position. Country number 4. Iran has a GDP of nearly $700 billion, supported by vast reserves of oil and natural gas. It holds the second largest gas reserves in the world, making it a major energy player. The nation's military strength, including advanced missile systems, makes it a formidable force. Iran's influence stretches across the Middle East, with strategic allies in Syria, Lebanon, and Iraq. The country is at the forefront of nuclear technology within the Muslim world. Iran's rich history includes the Persian Empire, one of the world's greatest ancient civilizations. Persian literature, including works by Rumi and Ferdowsi, is celebrated worldwide. The cultural capital of Isfahan is renowned for its stunning architecture and historical significance. Iran produces high-tech equipment, including drones, satellites, and cybersecurity systems. Its strategic location connects the Middle East, Central Asia, and South Asia. The Chabahar port is a critical trade hub, providing access to the Indian Ocean. Iran is a leading producer of saffron, pistachios, and carpets. The nation's advancements in medicine, particularly in biotechnology, are globally recognized. Despite sanctions, Iran has developed a self-reliant economy through domestic production. Tehran hosts one of the largest and most active academic communities in the Muslim world. Iran's military industry is a key export sector, especially in the Middle East and Africa. Its role in OPEC ensures significant influence over global oil markets. The Persian Gulf is a strategic region, with Iran controlling key waterways like the Strait of Hormuz. Iranian films have gained international acclaim, with several winning Oscars and other global awards. The country has invested in renewable energy, including wind and solar farms. Iran's strong domestic pharmaceutical industry supplies drugs to neighboring countries. Religious tourism, particularly to Mashhad and Qom, attracts millions annually. The Iranian diaspora contributes significantly to global science, technology, and arts. The nation plays a pivotal role in regional politics, especially within the Islamic world. The country is a leader in nanotechnology research. Its cultural festivals, like Nowruz, celebrate Persian heritage worldwide. Iran's diversified economy includes industries like steel, cement, and automobiles. The government promotes innovation through incubators and research centers. Iran's advancements in space exploration are gaining international attention. A blend of ancient heritage and modern achievements makes Iran a unique and powerful nation. Country number 3. Saudi Arabia is the largest economy in the Arab world, with a GDP exceeding $1 trillion in 2025. It remains the world's top oil exporter, holding approximately 17% of global proven petroleum reserves. Vision 2030, led by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, is transforming the nation with ambitious reforms. The kingdom is investing billions in futuristic projects like NEOM, a smart city powered by renewable energy. Saudi Arabia is the custodian of the two holy mosques, making it the spiritual center of the Muslim world. Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages generate billions annually and draw millions of Muslims globally. Riyadh has emerged as a global financial hub with increasing foreign investments. The nation's military ranks among the strongest in the Middle East, with significant defense spending. Saudi Arabia has cultivated strategic alliances with the United States, China, and other major powers. Renewable energy projects, particularly solar, are diversifying the energy mix. Cultural reforms, including lifting restrictions on entertainment, are revitalizing the social landscape. Saudi women are playing a more prominent role in education, politics, and the workforce. The Saudi Aramco IPO became the largest in history, emphasizing the kingdom's financial clout. Saudi Arabia hosts the G20 summits, highlighting its growing international influence. The country's infrastructure, including new rail networks and airports, is expanding rapidly. Educational reforms aim to create a knowledge-based economy, with universities like KAUST leading in research. The Saudi Pro League has attracted global football stars, boosting its international profile. Investment in arts and culture has led to events like the Riyadh Season, a global cultural festival. Saudi Arabia is playing a vital role in regional peace initiatives, particularly in Yemen and Syria. Its historic site, Al-Ula, is being developed into a major tourist destination. Arabic calligraphy and traditional music are gaining global recognition. The government is investing heavily in artificial intelligence and robotics industries. Saudi Arabia is a key player in the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC. Trade agreements are fostering closer ties with neighboring Muslim nations. The Red Sea project aims to transform the tourism sector with luxury resorts. Saudi Arabia's humanitarian aid programs support millions of refugees and displaced persons. Riyadh's skyline, including the Jeddah Tower under construction, reflects the nation's ambition. The kingdom is modernizing its defense industry with plans to produce 50% of its arms domestically. Saudi Arabia's soft power is growing through its leadership in global Islamic forums. Balancing tradition with modernization, Saudi Arabia continues to solidify its position as a global power. Country number 2. Pakistan's economy is projected to grow to $500 billion, fueled by industrial and technological advancements. It is one of the few Muslim-majority countries with a nuclear arsenal, ensuring regional deterrence. The armed forces rank among the top 10 globally, with over 600,000 active personnel. Pakistan's strategic location connects South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, has transformed infrastructure and trade. Gwadar Port is emerging as a key hub for global maritime trade. Pakistani cricket is a major unifying and globalizing force for the nation. Youth under 30 make up 60% of the population, driving innovation and growth. Pakistan's JF-17 fighter jet is an internationally acclaimed defense product. Lahore and Islamabad are hubs for startups and tech innovation. Poetry and literature, especially from figures like Allama Iqbal, have global admiration. The country is rich in natural resources, including gold, coal, and natural gas. Pakistan is among the largest producers of textiles and garments in the world. It has played a key role in facilitating peace processes in Afghanistan. Eddy Foundation highlights Pakistan's humanitarian contributions globally. Pakistani cuisine, like biryani and kebabs, is celebrated worldwide. Its film industry, Lollywood, is gaining popularity domestically and internationally. The historical sites of Mohenjo-Daro and Taxila attract tourists from around the world. The Karakoram Highway is a marvel of modern engineering. Pakistan has increased its exports of IT services and software solutions. Defense exhibitions showcase indigenous technologies to a global audience. Universities like NUST are producing world-class engineers and scientists. Pakistan's mango exports are among the largest in the world. The cultural vibrancy of provinces like Punjab and Sindh adds to its appeal. Efforts in reforestation, such as the billion-tree tsunami, set global benchmarks. Pakistan's contributions to UN peacekeeping missions are highly regarded. The country has successfully held large-scale international summits and conferences. Its rich musical heritage, from qawwalis to pop, influences global music. Religious tourism, including Sikh pilgrims visiting Kartarpur, is thriving. Despite challenges, Pakistan's resilience and innovation keep it a key player in the Muslim world.
Country number 1.
Turkey boasts a projected GDP of $1.2 trillion, making it one of the largest economies in the Islamic world. It has NATO's second-largest standing army, with 355,000 active personnel. The defense industry is world-class, producing drones like the Bayraktar TB2, which are widely exported. Turkey's unique geography connects Europe and Asia, controlling vital trade routes like the Bosporus Strait. Istanbul remains a cultural and economic hub, attracting millions of tourists every year. Turkish dramas and films enjoy immense popularity in the Middle East, South Asia, and beyond. The country is rapidly advancing in renewable energy, AI, and defense technologies. Turkey launched its space program with plans to send an astronaut to space soon. Historically, Turkey was the heart of the Ottoman Empire, a significant force in Islamic history. The Hagia Sophia symbolizes Turkey's unique blend of Islamic and Byzantine cultures. The country is home to some of the world's most famous cuisine, like kebabs and baklava. Turkey's political influence bridges East and West, making it a key mediator in global conflicts. Education reforms have significantly increased literacy and innovation in STEM fields. The construction of megaprojects like Istanbul's new airport showcases its ambition. Turkey's military exercises demonstrate its preparedness and influence in the region. It is a founding member of organizations like the OIC, promoting Muslim unity. The textile and automotive industries contribute significantly to its economy. Turkish universities attract thousands of international students yearly. It hosts millions of refugees, especially from Syria, showcasing its humanitarian efforts. Turkish Airlines, a global aviation leader, connects countless destinations. Turkey's historical landmarks attract UNESCO recognition. The government invests heavily in digitization and smart city initiatives. Its thriving e-commerce market is among the fastest-growing globally. The Anatolian region is rich in natural resources, supporting industrial growth. Turkey's vibrant festivals, like the Whirling Dervishes ceremony, captivate the world. It has strengthened diplomatic ties with both Western allies and Muslim countries. The growing tech industry fosters startups in fintech, gaming, and AI. Modern Turkey reflects the vision of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, blending tradition and innovation. Its role in NATO and regional alliances enhances its defense capabilities. Turkey's resilience through economic and political challenges makes it a formidable global player. As we've seen, these 5 nations, Turkey, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Iran, and Indonesia, are shaping the future of the Muslim world in remarkable ways. Each country stands out for its unique contributions, whether through economic strength, military power, cultural influence, or historical significance. Together, they represent the resilience, innovation, and diversity of the Muslim world, proving that tradition and modernity can coexist to build a brighter future. What do you think of this list? Are there other countries you believe should be included? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of global topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.